Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
My name is Prathamesh Dimble and I am studying in Zeal Polytechnic. My project name is LPG gas leakage monitoring and alert system using Arduino. My group member is Supriya Kamble, Sairaj Kulkarni, Vijay Shivarkar and guided by UT Gerard ma'am. Contents: Introduction, Objective, Component used in the project, Block diagram, Working principle, Circuit diagram, Code of the project, Advantages, Applications, Future scope, Conclusion and reference. Introduction to the project. The main aim of this project to detect gas leakage and control to protect the people from danger. So in this project we have built a device that detect the leakage of gas, and if the gas leak occurs an equivalent message is converted by the means of LCD screen, and a buzzer is capable to broadcast message on LCD screen to the stakeholders about LPG leak. This LPG gas leak monitoring device can find application not only at residential houses, also applicable to hotels, restaurants and even in industries where LPG is used for some of the other purpose. We use a gas sensor to monitor the LPG. If the gas leak reaches beyond the normal level, at it will trigger the sound alarm. The people can be saved from a potential explosion caused by gas leakage. Objective of the project: to lay out and acquires a project LPG gas leakage monitoring and alert system using Arduino. To lay out and acquire project that will perceive gas outflow like methane leak, LPG leak or many other gaseous substances that can be discovered by MQ6 device. To lay out and acquire a project that will fabricate the temperature level using temperature sensor LM35. To fabricate the sound alarm as well as show the status in the LCD 16S2 LCD component. Component required for the project: Arduino Nano, MQ6 sensor, LM35 temperature sensor, buzzer and LCD module. This is block diagram of LPG leakage monitoring and alert system. Working principle of the project. This system based on the Arduino Nano and MQ6 gas sensor. When the sensor detects gas in the atmosphere, it will give digital input 1, and if gas is not detected, the sensor will give digital output 0. Arduino will receive the sensor output as digital input. If the sensor output is high, then the buzzer will start turning along with the LCD that will show that gas detected yes. If the sensor output is low, then buzzer will not be turning and the LCD will show that gas detected no. The buzzer most commonly consists of a number of switches or sensors connected to control unit that determines which button was pushed or whether a preset time has lapsed, and usually illuminates a light on the appreciate button or control panel and sound a warning in the form of continuous or intermittent buzzing or beeping sound.
Hello, myself Vijay Shivadkar. I am studying from ZIL Polytechnic. Today I explain advantages of our project. Advantages of the project. It is used in house as LPG leakage detection. It also detects alcohol, so it is used as a liquid tester. The sensor has excellent sensitivity combined with quick fast response time. The system is highly reliable, tamper-proof and secure. It is possible to get instantaneous result, high accuracy. Application of the project: protection from any gas leakage in cars, for safety from gas leakages in heating gas fire application. It is applicable in boiler, domestic water. Very useful even for illiterate. Large industry which use gas as their production. For the safety from gas leakage in cooking gas fired application like oven, stoves. Software used such as we have used Arduino IDE programming. We have used the software Express PCB for the circuit and layout design. Future scope of the project: overall software and hardware part of the system have been developed and tested by introducing a small amount of LPG near gas sensor module. One of the notable future function of this system is to add a subsystem where wastage of gas and the use of gas can be monitored using this system. The system is flexible as greater number of sensors and relays can be added to according to the whole LPG supply setup. In those permit the other conclusion of our project. The purpose of the present system is to provide safe, reliable, simple and cost-effective LPG leakage detection system. The circuit design for the system is simple then in comparison with other. The working of the system is particularly depends on the performance of the sensor. Working of the MQ6 sensor detection system is irrespective ambient temperature. The system is cost effective, can be used in domestic application like kitchen, hotels, hospitals, many more.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.